Nick Stickers. What to say about him? His name's Nick, and well, he's got stickers on him. I mean, that's pretty much all there is to say about him, to be honest. But well, I don't know a whole lot about the guy, but well, I can imagine he has quite a bit of lore behind him. Yeah, I have no idea why, but I can just picture it. It's just something about him. You know, it makes me think that. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, he's a very interesting character to talk about. But well, I don't find him that interesting. But wait, hold on. Yeah, I do find him interesting, but I don't know. I don't know. It's Nick Stickers, okay? I like him. I mean, who doesn't? He's well, a background character, but a cool background character. Yeah, of course. Why wouldn't you? What's not to like about Nick Stickers, you know? Yeah, of course, he appears in Cars 1. As you guys probably already know. Um, well, I assume he gets the stickers from Lizzie, you know? I mean, that's a speciality, or, you know, well, actually, what else does Lizzie sell? You know, I don't know what else besides stickers. I think she has little ornaments and like snow globes and you know just stuff like that. You know, talking of Lizzie, have you seen what's on this? Look, she is Lizzie. Hey! That's not the reason I chose that. Okay, that's not the reason I put it there. I mean, didn't even know I was going to mention Lizzie. I mean, all these videos I do are scripted anyway, so I mean, uh, yeah, all scripted. So I don't know what I'm gonna say when. So yeah. Still, what can I say? Let's have a closer look at him, shall we? Still, we've got lots of like Sarges, Radiator Springs. Okay, she must have gone from Lizzie then. Wait, I wonder what he was called before he got his stickers. Would say life begins at the off ramp. That's got one of the abuse in it. Let me just realise that. Why does Radiator Springs have multiple logos? That's what I want to know. Why the hell does Radiator Springs have multiple logos? I mean, it's good they have multiple logos, but maybe just one, or else it'll confuse the people who go there. You know, the customers. Why are they fans? I mean, who isn't a fan of Radiator Springs? What car does he resemble? Maybe a Ford Puma? Maybe even one of those Civics. I think like old ones, old saloon ones. 235 NW. I have no idea what the significance of that is. If it even has one, if it even means something, you know. Oh, just one sticker on the other side. That's meant to be a rhino. I can't tell, you know. Can you see what that is? It might be a little blurry, but can you see it? I don't know. What more is there to say about him? Still, yeah, I don't know. Have a great day, folks. Goodbye. Cosmo.